Another box from Amazon. And what is inside this box is for not the faint of heart, especially when it comes to opening your wallet. So let's open this up and see what it is. Oh, that was a good one. Oh. So, what we got here, something special. Let's check it out on Amazon. So here we are at the Amazon site for the Tyler Gallon Glam Wash Laundry Detergent Diva 128 fluid ounces, pack of one, $74.99. Yes, that's right, $74.99. And then if you include your own state tax, for me it was $80. Woo! About this item, Tyler Glamorous Wash will let you enjoy all your favorite scents throughout the day and night. The Tyler detergent has been formulated to clean effectively, yet remain gentle on delicate specialty fabrics. Use the Glamorous Wash to clean your linens, lingerie, fine fabrics, and much more for long-lasting, smooth aroma of Tyler fragrances. The country of origin is the United States and the state of Texas. Of course, this is your phosphate-free, and then you can you're not only stuck to the Diva Wash, you also got the high maintenance and the other scents here. So prices vary, and of course, some of the cheaper prices here are for the smaller bottles. So I came across this particular detergent through social media, through a radio program, the Bubba the Love Sponge show, and heard about this, and he was ranting and raving about it. So I said, what the hell? I'll give it a try. Yeah, it's expensive, but it smells fantastic. And I'm not normally a fan of fancy smelling detergents because most of them smell kind of nasty. I'm not a favorite Tide scented fan, not a Gain user, or not any other detergent user. The closest detergent that I liked using in the past was the original Persil. I could tolerate that. That's why I moved to Laundersaw and heavy-duty detergent because it didn't have any smell. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to use it on my towels and sheet sets that I've put away and stuff like that because it is expensive, so you don't want to be using this as a daily driver for your work clothes. So that's it for this video. We'll continue with the current video already in progress. Wow. $80 for this thing. Woo! Yeah. Now, normally I'm not big on scented detergents for I don't know what reason, and yet I like, all the girly shampoo and handmade soaps and candles and stuff like that. But I was never big on detergent because the standard around here for the rest of the household is Tide. And I hate the smell of Tide. I think it sucks. It's awful. That's why I use Laundersaw or the H heavy duty detergent or a few other new stuff that's coming in a couple coming weeks. So I got this stuff. This is Tyler, as in, the company that makes Tyler candles. They're scented candles. This is their scented laundry detergent. And this is, in case you want to wash something special or have something smell that's real good. So being that this is, a small fortune, you only want to use it for occasional things. Maybe towels or your bedspreads and your sheets and stuff like that. Or maybe if you're going out and you want to have your laundry smell good, because this stuff is it's supposed to smell fantastic, as far as I know. And it does. It's got a very interesting, not overpowering, but a very interesting scent. It's fantastic. And I could just imagine what the laundry would smell like. So this is the Glamorous Wash Diva. And of course, there's other scents. And it says a warm and complex fragrance overflowing with delicious fruits and rich florals. Rich aromatic chocolate and amber complete this luscious blend. It's her world. We just live in it. Well, guess what? It's my world, and I live in my own world, because this is the house of man. So there. So, house of man, plus Speed Queen, plus this stuff. Woo! Wow! And yes, this is a non-phosphate detergent. But guess what? I have phosphates. So I can add phosphates to this stuff and make it kick ass. So what do I use? I use this stuff that I got in a OxyClean bucket. And this is TSP. What's TSP? Trisodium phosphate. And this is the Sunnyside brand. So if you want to add phosphates to your non-phosphate detergent, just go on eBay and search Sunnyside Trisodium phosphate. And you just, all you need is a tablespoon tablespoon per load. That's all you need. And you can pollute the earth or add more phosphates. I don't care. Add the whole bag. Whatever you want to use. So this and this, yeah, baby. So it says instructions. Since luxury fabrics vary, it is important to follow the garment manufacturer's instructions. Machine washing. Use 3 ounces, or a third of a cup per load. Or if you want to hand wash, 2 tablespoons for each sinkful. And the ingredients are vegetable diverted, ionic, and non-ionic surfactants. That's what makes your clothes clean, is the surfactants. Because what's a surfactant? A surfactant makes your water wetter. And it says low foaming and biodegradable surfactants, mild cleaning, enhances sodium gluconate and calcium chloride, essential oils, and fragrance. Color and texture may vary with natural ingredients. Free of petroleum, phosphate, other interesting things, and cruelty-free and no animal. Keep out of reach of challenge. So don't let your kids drink this stuff. Not tested on animals, for adult use only. Made in the Glamorous USA. Formulated exclusively for and distributed by Tyler Candle Company of Tyler, Texas. So, since now I'm a diva now, I'll be using this for probably my sheets and my bedspreads and my towels. And maybe if I'm storing stuff and for the long haul, I might use this for this stuff. So if you can get over the sticker shock of this stuff, because you got to remember this stuff is handmade in a small little factory somewhere in Texas. And of course you can visit tylercandles.com and you can get other sizes, and you can get other like kits. Like I think they make like little dryer bags or closet bags, and they make of course they make candles too. So if you're you can get the Diva candle if you would like to, or anything else. So yeah. 80 bucks. Yeah, you don't want to be using this every day. So, you know, and of course, you know, there's going to be people out there that are going to say, you are effing nuts spending $80 for a gallon of laundry detergent. Well, guess what? It's my money and I'll spend it the way I'd like to. So, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, all you divas.